So I got one of these cute pumpkin that they have in white. I'm gonna take the top part out. So just go ahead, twist it like that, and it should come out easily once you twist it a few times like that. Just do it back and forth, and then it should come out. After it comes out, I'm gonna take this floral foam and I'm gonna place some hot glue, and make sure to place the hot glue like on the side of each or the floral foam all the way around it, not in the middle. Then go ahead and place it on top and attach it into place. Then after that, I'm going to grab these flowers. I'm going to take it apart, and I'm also going to use the leaves. So I'm going to put my toothpick inside the leaf, and then I'm going to put it inside the flower like that. And then I'm going to attach it to the floral foam in the middle like that. Here you can, for attachment better, you could just use the hot glue as well and not just leave it as that. So you're just going to continue attaching your flowers around it until you do the whole thing. Here you could do different color flowers. I just decided to do this color, but you can mix it in. Then I'm going to grab one of these glass and place it in the middle. And then I'm going to also take some candle and place it inside. Then take your lighter and light it up. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is like a simple home decorations or party decorations for fall decorations, which I think it looks great. I love how the pumpkin turns out. I'm just giving you a different idea how you guys can use this pumpkin. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take the glass out because we're not going to use it for now. And then I'm going to make put a little bit of long leaves and stuff like that just to show a little bit more. So just go ahead and fill it out with more all the way around it, and then put some hot glue in the floral foam that you guys place it, and then place a plate on top like that, and then just attach it. Here you could place cookie, candy, chips, whatever. This is more like to a display or food. You can also take one of these candle holder, put some hot glue, and then you're going to attach it to the middle like that. And this is just to give it a little bit a higher level up, and then just go ahead, put some hot glue and put the glass on top. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So cute, so simple, and so easy that you guys can do at home. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take my flowers and I'm gonna do it just this version I'm gonna do a little bit taller. So just take a flower and place it in a stick, and then just cut it a little bit down. And then after you cut a little bit down, just go ahead and place it in the floral foam. You're gonna continue doing this until you place it all the way around, until you do the whole thing out. Then after you do the whole thing out, I'm gonna take this candle holder and I'm gonna place it in the middle like you did before. Make sure to do it with hot glue, and then just go ahead and put your cup on top like that. And then you can also do it with a long candle. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So cute, so simple. This is like more to be like inside, the candle to be inside, so it looks better. I think this one looks great, and this one's like more elegant than the other one. Now you can also just leave it with a long candle. I'm giving you the fair idea. You guys decide which one you guys like. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and please comment down below letting me know which one is your favorite. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.